In my particular case, my mother had teeth that began to crumble in her latter years, and mine did the same thing. So presumably I had a bit of hereditary follow through my mom, and it created a real mess in my mouth. And actually my case was, I think, probably pretty extreme in that the oral surgical part of my process was the removal of all teeth, totally, because they were literally crumbling. My treatment started with obviously oral surgery, and I appreciate very much the working relationship between Dr. Gurney and his staff and the oral surgeon, and the back and forth and friendly relationship and open communication between the two helped me immeasurably through this process. The quality of my life has changed remarkably, and I think to a great degree it's been subtle things, because as any human being you get used to what you've got, and through the process of having my teeth degrade over a period of about 3 or 4 years, I really had lost the sense of what it was to have a full healthy set of teeth. And so once I gained these new implants, my quality of life has gone up through the roof, actually. Just the normal day-to-day functioning of eating and smiling and interacting with other people has been just, marvelous. I would like to say that this process, while it is, I think, tedious for those who would have to go through it, I would say very openly and honestly and quickly that doing it with Dr. Gurney and the staff here at Boise Prosthodontics has been marvelous. I think the words I would use would be very interactive and very collaborative in and through the whole process, because it is a long process. It's not a painful process, but I think the more that you bring and you're allowed to bring to the expertise and the medical knowledge that Dr. Gurney and staff has makes for a real team, and that's essentially how I see it. You become a team until this process is done, and it was just marvelous. So I couldn't be happier. I recommend them completely and thoroughly. Cheese!